Now for the latest on COVID-19. Fewer than 600 of New York's COVID-19 tests came back positive. This is according to an update from Governor Andrew Cuomo's office released today. Of over 65,000 tests, 584 were positive. That's less than 1%. The state's total is coming close to 400,000, but holding steady. The governor says that the state's progress is the result of hard work from New Yorkers who've been practicing social distancing, mask wearing, and hand washing. But there is concern as the nation faces another surge. Now, the U.S. is set to hit another record for new coronavirus cases Wednesday, with nearly 60,000 reported infections. Texas and California both reported their highest single-day death toll, with Arizona testing lines miles long, some waiting for hours to learn if they have the virus. Chris Martinez reports.
In this packed intensive care unit in Texas's Rio Grande Valley, most patients lay motionless. Almost all need a ventilator to breathe.
It's getting bad. It's starting to affect every one of us.
Hospitalizations have more than doubled in Texas in the last 2 weeks. Juana Prieto and her husband are both COVID patients. Her 35-year-old daughter died from the virus last week.
There's no words I can describe this. Losing your kid, my only daughter.
Cases have more than doubled across Florida.
This is absolutely the busiest it's been since it all started.
Despite the surge in Florida, Disney World in Orlando is holding a preview today for pass holders before the park formally reopens on Saturday. Arizona is another hotspot. Less than 150 ICU beds are left statewide. Phoenix Fire Captain Rob McDade says close to 100 firefighters have likely been infected.
It was humbling, I think, to our department to see so many of our members get it.
California reported its highest single-day COVID death toll Wednesday with 149 deaths. Here in Los Angeles County, cases have doubled in 1 month. And with that, the demand for testing has outstripped supply. Officials say no county test appointments are available for the rest of the week, and there may be shortages for weeks to come.
We see choke points nationally in the supply chain.
There is a bit of hopeful news. LA says its infection rate is starting to go down. Chris Martinez, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Chris, thank you. In these other states, some are being told that test results could take up to a week. In Washington, the Trump administration is insisting schools fully reopen in the fall, even though many have not met CDC safety guidelines. The Rochester Housing Authority and Trillium Health are working to get people tested for COVID, all in their own apartment building. The results are expected at least 72 hours later. People at the apartments can also get health evaluations on site. If another health concern comes up, Trillium can refer them to a physician for further treatment. Trillium Health says communities of color are at a higher risk of getting infected with the virus, which is why these mobile testing sites are so important.
A lot of the urgent care sites and hospitals in the city just weren't in close proximity to where low-income people, communities of color live. So I think that we've been able to kind of fill in this gap in care in the city.
The mobile testing sites are open again tomorrow for only Lake Tower residents. It runs now till 4 p.m.